In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset the Phantom Wallet app. Before we dive into the actual steps, it's crucial to understand why you might want to reset your wallet. Resetting can be useful if you're experiencing issues with the app, planning to switch devices, or just want a fresh start. However, remember that resetting the app will require you to recover your wallet using your recovery phrase later, so let's make sure you're prepared. First things first, open the Phantom app on your device. Take a moment to ensure you're logged into your account. Once you're on your homepage, you should see a display of your account balance, all the tokens you own, and the array of features available to you, such as receiving, sending, swapping, or buying cryptocurrencies. Now, direct your attention to your profile. You'll spot an option to click, and this will take you to your profile menu. From there, look for the Settings option and give that a click. This is where you'll find all the available features and settings you can tweak to personalize your Phantom Wallet experience. In Settings, focus your gaze on security and privacy. This section is vital for managing the safety of your digital assets and ensuring your wallet is as secure as possible. As you explore this area, scroll down gently until you see the option that says Reset App, but hold your horses before you click it. There's an essential step you must take care of first. Before proceeding with the reset, it's absolutely crucial to have a copy of your recovery phrase. Your recovery phrase is like a master key that will allow you to restore access to your wallet once the app is reset. Think of it as a safety net. Without it, you could permanently lose access to your cryptocurrency holdings. If you haven't already done so, take a moment to locate and safely store your recovery phrase in a secure place. Once you have verified that a copy of your recovery phrase is safely stored, you're ready to move forward. Simply click Reset App. This action will begin the process of resetting the Phantom Wallet app. It's a straightforward process, but it's vital to ensure every step is followed accurately to protect your assets. After the reset, you'll use your recovery phrase to regain access to your wallet. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to reset the Phantom Wallet app. This process, while simple, is foundational for maintaining control over your digital assets. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out through the app's support options. Thanks for watching, and I'm looking forward to guiding you through your next crypto journey.